Hey guys, Sak here from sakitech, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold. This is Samsung's powerful new smartphone that unfolds into a full-sized 10-inch tablet. Now, I was able to get some early hands-on time with this product. So what I'm going to do in this video is I want to unbox it, do a detailed tour around the device, and then give you my first impressions. But I do want to quickly mention that at first glance, this concept may seem similar like the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which is also a phone and a tablet hybrid, but the Trifold pushes the idea way further. It is a technological marvel. And that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's dive in and get started right away. Let's first start with an unboxing and see what you get in the box. All right, so here we have it. A slightly different presentation. We do have a box as soon as we open this up. Let's put that to the side. Here's the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold, as you can see. That's the front side. We're going to peel that off in a minute. But you can see the rear. We have this beautiful crafted black color. Now let's put that to the side for 1 second. We're going to come back to that. Let's see what else we have in the box. Now if you lift up this portion here, we actually get a charger, as you can see. All right, so a charger is included. It's going to be a 45-watt charger. That is great. Now going back to that other case that we had earlier, let's open that up and see what's in there. And here we go. We have a case and we have an accessory. So let's put those to the side and see exactly what those are as well. All right, so the case came out. You can see we have a beautiful carbon fiber case, and then we have the USB Type-C cable, the pin ejector tool, and some user guides, and that is everything we get in the box. Going back to the main dish, let's peel off that front display cover. All right, and there's that 10-inch display. Wow. So here it is folded. You can see on the rear we have that triple camera system, the same exact camera system as the Z Fold 7, and of course we have the crafted black. Now on the back we have the polymer, but it is reinforced with ceramic glass fiber. This combination keeps the weight low and the quality high. Now on this side, we have the armor aluminum construction. We also have the power button, which is also a fingerprint sensor and a volume rocker. We have a nice matte finish, as you can see. Now on this side, we have the larger hinge. And again, this is going to be armor aluminum on the outside. Inside is titanium. Now on the top, we have a speaker grill, a couple of microphones, as you can see. That's a total of 4 microphones. And then at the bottom, you can see we have the USB Type-C port, and again, another microphone and another speaker grill. So we do have a total of 2 speakers. And then of course you unfold it 2 times, one time from the right side, another time from the left side, and you get a 10-inch tablet, which is total insanity. Also want to mention that you cannot close this from the right side. If you do, you're going to get a warning, as you can see. So you have to close it from the left side first and then do the right side, and that's going to give you a nice fold. Now my only complaint with the design is that I would have preferred a matte finish on the back instead of a shiny finish that will attract fingerprints. Now let's get to the essence of this product. First and foremost, it is a technological marvel. I used to dream about things like these when I was a kid, and now it's a reality. On the other hand, it is a very simple product to understand. When it is folded, it is a regular smartphone. You can do anything you can on a regular smartphone. When it is unfolded, it is a 10-inch tablet, and that's all there is to it. And the fact that it is possible is insane. Eliminates the need to have a phone and a tablet separately, unifying both products into one single product. And of course, it is different than the Fold 7, because the Fold 7 is, again, it's a smartphone when folded, but when it is unfolded, it is a mid-size tablet. This guy goes from a regular smartphone to a full-size tablet. And just by having that extra real estate, watching movies, doing work, multitasking, it is all going to be superior. Obviously, multitasking is a huge highlight. The Galaxy Z Trifold can run 3 full windows side by side, giving you significantly more usable screen real estate than any other phone that is portable like this. I mean, look at that. It almost feels like having 3 smartphone displays at your command with full-sized apps running in each section. By the way, the outer display does have a 6.5-inch display, just like the Z Fold 7. It is a 120 Hz display refresh rate, and it's got a peak brightness of 2600 nits. So that's a rock-solid display. On the inside, you have 1600 nits of brightness, 120 Hz display refresh rate, a 10-inch size, and even though the peak brightness seems to be lower, remember, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, which is Samsung's flagship tablet, also has 1600 nits of brightness. So even though it is not 2600 nits, it is plenty bright for most people. And you're going to have a great time watching movies on this as opposed to a Fold 7. Again, if you look at them side by side, look at how much more movie you're able to see on the Trifold versus the Fold 7. And then again, you can just fold it, put it in your pocket, and off you go. That is the crazy part. Let's look at some more details. Now you do have built-in Samsung DeX functionality, so let's go to the settings. I'm going to go to my connected devices. I want you guys to see the Samsung DeX right over here. You can see you can connect the DeX to a display wirelessly, or you can even start DeX right on your desktop. Simply pull from the bottom, as I just did, tap on plus, and boom, DeX is now active, as you can see, right on the tablet. You do not need a separate display to activate this. So now, as I launch Windows, it's going to perform like a desktop PC, like a laptop. You can see I can just move windows around, X them out, whatever, as you can see. So this is a desktop-like environment that you get with this larger display. You can have multiple workspaces, as you just saw. So I'm creating a brand new workspace, and I can switch back and forth just like that. Okay, so that is great. You can take it one step further. Right now, the Trifold is connected to the monitor with a cable, so it's projecting DeX to the monitor. You can see we have a Bluetooth mouse and a keyboard, so I can basically just do full work using the Samsung DeX. All I need is a monitor, keyboard, and a mouse, and my Trifold transforms into a full desktop environment. You can see I'm using the mouse. My wife is using the mouse. We're moving windows around as if this was a Windows laptop or a MacBook, okay? So you can do all that stuff with this product. This really is a product for the real professional, okay? Whether you just want to use a tablet or you want to transform it into a workstation like this one. By the way, this is the case that comes in the box, but you're going to be able to buy another case which is going to have a built-in kickstand just like this one, so you can prop up the Trifold in front of you so you can see that display, and then maybe connect a Bluetooth mouse and a keyboard to simply use the Trifold as a computer. And of course, the Trifold is going to ship with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, the same processor in the S25 Ultra, in the Z Fold 7. So performance is not going to be a problem. It's going to be a super fast product. You're going to have 512 gigabytes of storage, as it is on this model here. And you do have 16 gigabytes of RAM standard. When it comes to battery, we have 5,600 milliamp hours of battery capacity. Of course, I'm not able to test any of this stuff, so I cannot tell you how long it's going to last just yet. But I do want to let you know, we do have wireless power sharing on the rear of the device where we have the camera array. So wireless power share included, and also fast 45-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging. So those are some of the core battery stats. All right, so what about the pricing? So Samsung did not tell me what the price is going to be. I'm assuming it's going to be in the ballpark of $2,500 to $3,000. That means it's going to be a very expensive product. You are going to need an arm, a leg, and a kidney. But Samsung did mention that they're planning on releasing this early 2026, and that's for the United States. All right, so I think we have covered everything for now. Basically, the Samsung Galaxy Trifold is a phone that transforms into a full-sized tablet. In comparison, the Fold 7 is a phone that transforms into a mid-sized tablet. That is the major difference between those two foldables. So it really is not that hard to decide which one you would want if you have the money. But do make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more coverage in relation to the Samsung Galaxy Trifold. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?